Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the Fit to Flourish podcast. Today I'm going to go over the review of SPY, the daily review, so let's get right into it. All right. I'm going to pull up SPY. Today, SPY was trading kind of sideways. We had NVIDIA earnings after market today. We have NVIDIA earnings after the market closes today. So we're going to be, we're expecting for sideways movement in the market until NVIDIA reports earnings. NVIDIA is literally like the entire economy of the United States at this point, the way that is holding up markets on its own. So I'm going to clear out this chart here and we're going to go over price action one by one. So, you know me, I use my ATRs. So we opened below the close of yesterday, the close of previous day. Let me take the ATR off actually so you can see that gap. So we gapped down below the 20 MA and then we pushed up above the 20 MA and held the 20 MA for just a little bit. We had sellers try to sell off, but buyers kept stepping in here. And then we just kind of consolidated for almost the entire day or the entire morning. And then we pushed to the upside and we pretty much tapped this high order block here. So these highs here, we got into this territory and it is all-time high territory. So it's a good opportunity for a fade. So what I was looking at was I wanted to see us push back up one more time. Saw this double top here. And I alerted everyone. I was like, hey, I'm getting in a little bit early. I usually wait for VWAP to cross over below the 20 MA, but I wanted to get in pretty early. I got in on 0 DTE options here, right over here after this push below VWAP, and got that massive sell-off. It was kind of crazy because this print happened in like 1 second. It was like boom, and then like it tapped this low Fibonacci ATR level here, this Saudi ATR level. It tapped that level and then it just pushed back to the upside, had buyers step in, pretty strong buying here, and push price right back up to this mid level here. And then we had another sell off, and right now we formed a slingshot doji. We're getting towards the end of the day and we're just kind of going up and down in this range. It's like a 530, 531.50 range. This would be a pretty good take right here too. After a slingshot doji, a micro double bottom here, getting in and going long just until like pretty much until you hit this order block, this high order block up here. But yeah, not too much crazy action here on SPY. And then we also talked about swinging AMD calls yesterday. So AMD. So that did absolutely terrific. So we picked up AMD down here at 164.14. And then as you can see, we gapped up to oblivion today. We gapped up so high. My AMD calls went up to 44% and I was out. They actually went up to about 50%, but I was out. And then if you wanted to get in on AMD calls again for intraday play, you could do that too. Had a good move up. And then I called out these AMD puts. Right over here, you see VWAP crossing below the 20. Good sell signal, double top across the board here. So good entry here. I alerted that in my group on live. And yeah, it absolutely went crazy. So it ended up going up to 37% in one trade. So that's an amazing trade. But yeah, that was a bunch of the trades that we took today. Gonna keep going at it. Gonna keep getting these massive trades and, keep sharing the information. If you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks for tuning in to the Fit to Flourish podcast. I'm out.